Are you posting videos on Facebook, but still not getting enough reach? Did you know your page type decides how Facebook treats your content? If your page is not set as creator, you're missing out on reach boost, monetization tools, professional creator dashboard, algorithm priority. Today I'll show you the official way to convert your Facebook page into a creator page, step by step. Let's unlock creator power. Welcome back to PreyoPhonie, where normal users become professional content creators. If you upload reels, videos, educational content, entertainment content, monetized content, then creator page type is mandatory for growth. Let's activate it properly. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Open Facebook menu. Open your Facebook app. Tap on the menu three-dot icon. Scroll down and click on Pages. Step 2. Select your page. Now select the page you want to convert into creator type. Open that page. Step 3. Open page settings. Tap on the page menu, three-dot icon. Now go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Step 4. Go to Page Setup. Scroll down, find and tap Audience and Visibility. Now press Page Setup. Step 5. Open Page Type. Tap on Page Type. Here, Facebook allows you to choose how your page behaves. Before we begin, subscribe to PreyoPhonie for Facebook growth strategies, monetization tutorials, creator tools training, account protection tips. Now let's start the setup. Step 6. Select creator type. Now press on Creator. Tap on Next. Step 7. Confirm change. Finally press Confirm. Boom. Your Facebook page is now officially converted into creator mode. Creator page benefits. After switching to creator page, you unlock higher organic reach, Reels monetization access, stars eligibility, creator analytics dashboard, content performance insights, audience growth tools, professional creator badge system. This is how serious creators grow fast. Important pro tips. After switching to creator mode, always turn on professional mode. Enable monetization settings. Optimize bio and category. Add profile cover branding. Post reels consistently. This trains Facebook algorithm to treat you as a real content creator. Now you know exactly how to convert your Facebook page into creator mode using the latest update. Remember, growth doesn't come from posting randomly. It comes from setting up your account professionally. If this video helped you, like this video, share with new creators. Subscribe to PreyoPhonie, because here, we don't just upload content. We build digital creator brands.